Today I'm going to teach you how to clean and reseal your concrete. This is a concrete patio. It's stamped concrete, and as you can see behind me, it's really dry. It's been a couple years since we sealed it last. So first thing we're going to do is mix up a bucket of soapy water, and we're just going to scrub it nice and clean. Then we're going to power wash it, maybe hose it off again, and then we will go ahead and get it sealed. Let's scrub, boys. You got your scrubbers? Let's go.
I got mine. Hey!
Gotta scrub it, Zach. Get that scrubber in there. Okay, so the patio has been scrubbed down just with some Dawn dish soap and then pressure washed and has been drying. It's almost completely dry. We're getting ready to seal it. We got a nice weather today with overcast. You don't want to do this in direct sun or when it's hotter than 80 degrees outside. So you might need to do this in the evening if it's too hot of a summer day for you. Now the products I'm going to use, the sealer is called Deco Guard. This is a cure and seal product, so if your concrete patio is brand new, you can apply this a week or two after it's been poured and the concrete hasn't totally cured yet, and the concrete will still be able to cure underneath it. Make sure you read all the instructions on this guy, but basically we're going to do 2 thin coats of Deco Guard with our sealer. Now that sealer is a high gloss, and when it's wet or there's a little bit of snow on top, it is really slick. So we're going to add this traction grip product made by Brickform. The instructions on that say that you can add 1 pound of traction grip per 5 gallons. Now if you talk to anybody at a concrete store, they will tell you to do 1/4 and max 1/2 pound per 5 gallons, otherwise your concrete will turn out white. So last time I did this, I did 1/4 pound per 5 gallons, and that worked out well. Now make sure, so I'm going to spray and then I'm going to back roll. Make sure you buy a roller from the concrete supply store. If you just get your regular roller from Home Depot, a paint roller, the chemical in the Deco Guard will actually break it down and it'll start turning into cotton candy on you. You'll be smearing it across your concrete, which you definitely don't want. So you need to get one of these rollers from the concrete store that can hold up to the chemical. And then for the sprayer, I'm just using the Home Depot HDX deck sprayer. It's got numerous tips. Now I know the max volume seals and stains tip is actually going to put way too much on. I want 2 very thin coats, so I'm probably going to start with the low volume control head and see how that goes. And then the chemicals in that Deco Guard are actually going to end up breaking this plastic down pretty fast. So once you start moving, you got to finish pretty quick. And then when you're done, you just got to pitch the sprayer, because unless you get a really nice concrete sprayer that has plastic and rubber parts that are made to handle the chemicals, this thing will just be toast when I'm all done. So we're just going to throw that away. Make sure you shake up the sealer in the sprayer often, because you don't want that traction grip to settle to the bottom. Also, I ended up using the adjustable tip sprayer. I found that one to be better than the low volume. There she is. Finished patio, 2 thin coats of Deco guard. Looks brand new. That's how you clean and reseal your patio.